Hello and welcome. I will show you how to start a fencing competition in Opera Touch tournament software. First of all, after installation, log in via Opart and Turnier, which is our general password. You will find it also in our menu. I will switch to English. You can choose languages on top and you are allowed to use a different working language from print language, so I could work in English and print in French. So before starting a competition, please go under Settings, and as we are working on a database system with a MySQL database, please update your database first. First of all, we will take tournaments, as tournaments are booked in our administration system. I have got 2 records, then we will update athletes and teams, as each day we do receive new athletes from several systems. This takes a while, as it can be a lot. Today we have 2,400. Then we have to update rankings, depending on how many rankings we do have, and also ranking places, as you have further options for rankings in the system. Depending on how many rankings have been calculated after adding last results to administration systems, this may take a while. For this update process, you need to have internet connection. Now we're going back to list, and we go under Manage Competitions, where you can find all competitions which are in your license. I have several, some are done, some are new. I will take this one, Burg Steinfurt men's foil competition in Germany, and I go back to dashboard. As you can see now on my dashboard, I have now the first competition. This is only a 1 day, 1 place competition. You have here starting time, like call time in the morning, scratch time, and really starting of the pools. This is now in red, as here it is now 12 o'clock, so my time was already reached. So first step we are going to do is to upload registrations, as the inscriptions for this tournament have been done in Opart Online administration system. I can directly take them from the system into Opart Touch. I will have also ranking places with, so here you can see I have participants, in total 86, all of them are not confirmed, as in Germany we will have sign-in registration time early in the morning. This is different what we have for FIA competitions. So my participants are all unpresent, and as you can see I do have already a ranking place for all athletes. Or I don't have, as they are not in the ranking which was selected as main ranking for this competition. So in general we would have in the morning a sign-in time, so you can put fencers at present. I will now make them all at present, so I have 86 participants. Back to dashboard. I will check my referees. Also referees can be inscripted in administration system. At the moment I do have 10, which might not be enough for this competition, but you can register more of them, which I will explain in a different screencast. So let's go back to dashboard, and in general our software is working from up to down and from left to right. So if I have upload my registrations, I can also go under edit event title. I can change the competition name if I like to. I can add my, in this case, competition manager. I could also add one representative of the referee commission, or whatever is necessary. And I save it. So here I'm under settings, back to the formula, as you can start the same process also here. Here you have some settings. So for example, I can upload what I did already, a logo of my competition. I can upload as well one logo for my screens, and I can upload a sponsor logo. This will be shown in each footer. So I can check, what do I have? I have an international qualification competition, I have Barish in general, I have 5 hits in pools, 15 hits in DE, 3 minutes for pool match and 3 times 3 minutes for elimination direct match. For my ranking settings, it was preset to have a German ranking for scenes men. So this is already prepared. I can now add round of pools. I have 86 participants. I get proposal to use 8 pools by 7 fencers and 5 pools by 6 to qualify 68 fencers, which is 20%. My pool counts for DE. All fencers with equal index are qualified. I have FIA rules. I decalate by club. I move all, and I have 1 pist for larger and 1 pist for smaller pools, which I will not change as I have only 6 and 7. So I then add direct elimination. On the right side you have a lot of descriptions about which kind of DE you can choose. So I select table of 128 and I save it. This is now taking also a moment, as all matches will now be created. Like this we can work with a timetable. You can do the same things if you select format here. You would have the same view. So back to the dashboard. I could start, because now I have here first round, I have direct elimination, and the dashboard is saying please create the round. So my pools are created. The decalation by clubs went well, as I don't have 2 clubs, 2 fencers from 1 club in 1 pool. I just show you if I would change this and say save. You will have red triangles here which show you that you have 2 fences from same club. Okay. So I change them back. So once your pools are done, you just select release seeding, and the pools inside will be mixed a bit, as now they are in order. As you can see, it's closed. If you go back to seeding result, you can have a look on what was done. If you would like to change, or in 1 pool whatever 2 fences are missing, you can do this now here. So I go back to dashboard and I can start printing my pools while saying here print. I could do referees and pists by hand. This is the first step, how to set up a competition. As you can see, I have 86 of 86 fencers present, I have 13 pools, and I have printed 1. This is how you can start your competition.